Have you ever wanted to copy a 3D object without spending hours with a caliper and a CAD program, but you had to choose between buying a 3D scanner and your monthly car payment? We're introducing the first 3D laser scanner with a price point under $100. Our scanner has the same or better specifications as currently available scanners, costing up to 7 times more, is simple to operate, and has a wide range of options. How did we manage to design a machine with these specifications yet at a far lower price? We based our design around the BQ Cyclop, an open source laser scanner. After lots of experimentation, we settled upon hardware and electronics that would provide the same scan quality but at a fraction of the price. Then, instead of using ugly and unwieldy threaded rod, we fused sleek laser-cut acrylic with plastic parts that the user can fabricate themselves on their own 3D printer. We redesigned our parts specifically with ease of printing in mind to use a fraction of the time and material of the original Cyclop. Further, we immensely reduced the minimum footprint for the parts in order to print on even the smallest of printers. To scan, simply set any object on the ample 200mm acrylic turntable and click the Start button. 2 red line lasers flash on the object that is being scanned, and as the turntable slowly makes a complete revolution, the 720p camera detects the location of each of the laser lines, storing those locations as points in 3D space. After the scan is complete, a cloud of points is generated that replicates the surface of the object. That point cloud can be used standalone or easily converted in a free program like MeshLab or Cloud Compare to reproduce on a 3D printer or keep as a CAD file to add to a drawing or assembly and save you the time of creating the part from scratch. So what's stopping you from adding a great piece of technology to your lab, workshop, kitchen table, or wherever you like to tinker and design? We've made sure that it isn't the price or performance. As 3D printing enthusiasts, we wanted to design a scanner that had excellent functionality, but was modestly priced and born out of the DIY spirit. We grew up together in a small agricultural community in Montana and have always been interested in technology and innovation. Armed with the experience from a successful Kickstarter in 2015, an engineering degree from Harvard, and the real-world application skills that come from living on a farm, our goal is nearly complete. Now, we just need you to help us realize our goal of expanding this growing technology and making 3D scanning incredibly affordable to anyone who owns a 3D printer by supporting our campaign. Thank you.
The 3D market is booming. Rapid growth in 3D printing, animation, and gaming is driving a demand for high-quality 3D image capture. Consumers and professionals alike are looking for an affordable solution to exploit their potential in 3D.
Hi, I'm Stuart Mead, CEO of Fuel 3D, a 3D image capture company. Today we'd like to introduce you to the Fuel 3D camera. This simple, lightweight and inexpensive camera captures fantastic detail of both colour and geometry for objects. Whether you're a maker, an animator, an artist, or just interested in great 3D design, let the Fuel 3D fire up your creativity.
Hi, I'm Jamie Patterson, and this is the Fuel 3D scanner. It combines geometric imaging with photometric stereo, and it's the only system in the world to do that. It provides high-resolution data at about 250 microns and excellent high-quality color capture. Best of all, no calibration is required. You just pick it up and take the shot.
This is a true 3D high-resolution camera, and what it does is it takes geometric stereo and photometric stereo and fuses the 2 sets of data using statistical techniques, and the result is a high-resolution 3D true image with accuracy, and as an added bonus you also get true colour.
So for example, if I want to take a 3D model of Evie here, I simply attach the target, line up the Fuel 3D camera and take a one-click shot. Then I go to my PC and download the images. Our software makes it easy to review images and produce a 3D model that can be saved. It is our plan to develop our existing software to enable easy export in a variety of formats for use in other packages. So once you have captured your 3D images and geometry, you can start getting creative. Let's start with the maker community.
As the 3D market expands, professionals and consumers are looking for a faster and more user-friendly way to acquire shape and color.
I am Sylvain Premont. I'm an engineer, and I have created iMaker a couple of months ago The store here, iMaker Store, which is the largest store in the world dedicated to 3D printing, with covering all the brands of 3D printers affordable for people. This is an example of a person that we have scanned using a hand scanner. It takes quite a while, and the person must not move during the whole process. What you will be able to do with Fuel 3D is do the exact same thing, but just in a snap. Like click, 1 or 2 seconds, and you've got it.
So here you see Evie's scan being produced and finished by our friends at iMaker. With the geometry of Evie's face being captured by the Fuel 3D, it is of course very possible to apply Evie's profile to any 3D object, such as a mug, gift, or unique sculpture. Now let's see how the Fuel 3D can make a difference for games developers and animators.
For me, it could mean I could get beautiful, high-res, real kind of texture faces in 3D on characters. I've actually been able to take the face, the actual scan of the face, and put it onto a 3D model and have that animated in an environment, which you can see here. See the model and there's the face on there, all moving. Really interesting technology, and it's how can they sell it for that little money? It's incredible.
Finally, let's look at how the artistic community can benefit from Fuel 3D. Rapid image capture and accurate geometry helps everyone get creative.
At the moment, you have limitations on the sort of organic stuff that you can produce. Whereas with this, I think the sky's the limit.
You often get ideas from photographs and, you know, from taking close-up photographs of things. I do a lot of, you know, taking macro photography, and you can see amazing textures and things that you can't reproduce, but that would allow you to reproduce it.
Whether you want to capture 3D colour images of your artwork for on-screen display, or to capture complex, natural and organic textures for incorporation into your work, Fuel 3D can help.
The Fuel 3D will be ready in 9 months for less than $1,000. We hope you agree this is a great product with a great future. 3D is only going in one direction, up. We're here on Kickstarter to ask for your help. We are a small company trying to bring a new type of product to the world. We are confident in our ability to engineer a high-quality product and need your help to support final product design and ergonomic development, manufacturing and price optimization, software enhancement to the current interface, and software development to enable trouble-free export to third-party applications. With your pledge, you will be one of the first people in the world to own this fantastic piece of technology, and we hope you are as excited about the possibilities as we are. The Fuel 3D. Fire up your creativity.